Are you looking for undervalued gaming platform cryptos, which I believe could skyrocket in next 12 to 18 months? Then you have come to the right channel. Hello and welcome to Ultimate Crypto Bureau channel. Today we are going to look into gaming platforms that I believe could do extremely well in this bull market. If you are new to our channel, welcome in. And if you are a regular visitor of our channel, as always, welcome everybody. And before we start going deep into this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel to get real facts and knowledge about the cryptocurrencies and other crypto related topics. So first gaming platform that we're going to talk about today is called Wagmi Games. What is Wagmi Games? It is a play to earn futuristic battle game. Users will play to earn the wagmi token. You are able to play the game for free with a base set of cards. If the player wants to get into higher ranked and higher rewarding gameplay, they will have to purchase NFTs from the wagmi network, which will cost real digital currency to buy. What makes wagmi games different, you may ask? One of the first fiat to NFT mobile tower defense game which incorporates the power of Web while taking power of Web3 while taking Web2 onboarding approach. So, having looked at the Wagmi games, as you guys can see, the website looks amazing. They've got really good games. They've got different levels where you can play to earn, start with play to earn for free, but then you have a different type of levels which you can reach. As you can see, you've got the base level, premium, comic, and founders levels as well. You get the defense card system as well. And most importantly, if you have a look at it, the games are getting built on this platform. They're building some really good games. And if you look at their advisors, and you will see a couple of very famous YouTube names that are their advisors. Alex Bakker. Most of you guys know him quite well. Most of you guys who are in crypto know him very well. And the other one is George Tang from George R Us, right? So, and they've got a really good team, very experienced team, very good advisors, who are in the gaming platform, gaming cryptos as well. So again, amazing team. They have built amazing NFT collections as well, guys. And as you guys can see, if you look at one of the recent articles being published, you will see that OpenSea has launched Wagmi Game Founders Pack on September 27th last year, and it's also doing extremely well, guys. So not only it has a good NFT profile, but it also is going to produce really good games. Plus, on top of that, is for really good advisors as well, who are very famous within the crypto world. So let's have a look at the tokenomics of this coin. So first thing first, if you have a look at it, it's got about 2.2 billion coins max supply. Fully diluted value right now of the coins is 62 million, which I believe is underrated to what Wagmi Games can provide. It's a very newish platform, launched, listed was on 21st December 2021, the 3rd of December 2021. And it's, if you look at, in CoinGecko, as you can see, it's got about 53 million market cap. So relatively higher market cap for a gaming crypto. However, this could easily, guys, reach, 1.5 billion to 2 billion market cap easily, guys. If they can start producing, got a great marketing team, the games are coming up on it are high quality games as well, folks. So, reasonable and really good platform, in my opinion. And and just for transparency purposes, I do hold this gaming token. Okay, so what's the next one? The next one is called LitLab Games. LitLab Games is a AAA video game publisher focused in esports. The company is led by experts in the video game, esports, and Web3 industry with successes in various startups. Lit token will be the token for the next video games developed by Lit Lab Games, which means that the utility and the compatibility of it will be increasing in the long term. Every game will use the same token and assets will be cross games. It means that everything you create, you will get in Cyber Titan, which is a strategy video game in the auto chess genre. The action takes place in 8-player online lobbies where each player assembles their own team of titans and choose their own strategy to be the last one standing. So, as you guys can see, it's got really good partners as well for the games. It's got really good backing as well. You know, the graphics looks extremely well. They've already got a game out called Cyber Titans, and they're also building some more games. And I believe that this gaming platform potentially could have a massive impact. I mean, the lit token will be used for joining competitive games with other players and receive rewards in case you win, provide liquidity to the ecosystem, join tournaments, play cup licenses, purchase NFTs in shop marketplace, access to early betas, upgrading and battle pass, and much, much more. So let's have a look at the tokenomics of this coin. So guys, let's have a look at it. Launched last year, 2023, only 12.85 million market cap. So very low market cap, folks. Max supply is 3 billion market cap, guys, out of which 17% of half a billion tokens are already circulating in the market. As you guys can see, it already had a really good run from around 0.003 all the way till about, it already had a 20x. However, it's come down to a really good entry price. It's forming a bull flag at the moment. And what I like about this gaming platform is that it's actually doing really good, really well. It's actually hidden, and I believe it's undervalued. That's the key aspect that I'm looking at. I'm looking at the gaming platforms that are actually undervalued, and I believe that Lab games are actually very undervalued, folks. Only 12.85 market cap. If from current price, I could easily see this going towards $1.5, and we could easily see around 800 million or to 1 billion market cap for this coin, and it should do extremely well in next 12 to 18 months. Again, for full transparency, I do hold this token, and doing my research, I've noticed that this has really good prospects, really good games coming out very soon. It's already got a game that is circulating and it's doing well. Plus, it's got a very low market cap, extremely well designed website as well. So I believe there is a great potential in this gaming platform as well. So, and the last but not the least, we have fabwelt. What is fabwelt? Fabwelt creates a gaming platform that brings blockchain technology into the core of high-quality games of all types of genres. Fabwelt create games and technology to fully integrate blockchain technology for advanced gameplay experience. High-end games will be developed for all type of genre like 3D first-person shooters, action-adventure games, simulation games, strategy games, fantasy games, etc. All Fabwelt produces will be integrated with blockchain technology at its core. This means a full experience of in-game NFTs, play to earn, and in-game DeFi. Let's have a look at some of the games they are developing. First of all, they've developed a game called Arsenal, which offers immersive gaming experience. It's a fight game, guys. You have the Fabwelt as well, which as you guys can see, it's an amazing game. It's got the esports available as well. And also, if you have a look at the other games called H2O, which is a novel aquatic racing game, which I believe you don't see these kind of games. You have seen a lot of shooter games, you've seen a lot of other type of games, but H2O looks very different, looks very good. And the team is excellent as well behind the scenes. So I believe that this token has got real potential as well, folks. And if you have a look at it, you can play on different type of you can play on the consoles, on the desktops, There are mobile games coming up as well on this one. So, and if you look at the team, it's got amazing team, guys. Very experienced team, that have done extremely well previously. You have, the partners as well, and the advisors who have done extremely well as well, guys. So, they're very, very decent gaming platform, guys. They've got a really good roadmap as well, and they are making good progress, as you can see. End of the beer market, they've actually done quite well. They are currently, doing some great stuff as well. And all that combined, you see they've got so many exciting games coming up on the platform. They're also the publishers of the different type of games as well, guys. They've got NFTs. They've got a staking going on as well. So all in all, amazing project, amazing gaming platform, which I believe should do extremely well in next 12 to 18 months. Now I've got a surprise for you on this one, guys. Let's have a look at the tokenomics and the price structure right now. Have a look at this, folks. 1.78 million market cap. Just 1.78 million market cap, folks. Maximum wealth available is 500 million only, out of which 215 million already in circulating supply, folks. So 43% is already out, meaning that it's not going to be that much big dump coming for this gaming platform. And amazingly, if you guys have a look at it, is right now is a floor price, basically, right? Right now is an absolute floor price. This could easily, if I have a look at it, and if any of the gaming cryptos have a massive or good bull run, then I believe this will easily 100x to 200x from here. Look at the market cap, folks. This could easily reach 300 million market cap. And if you do the timing and the price for it, you can easily say that it will reach about 150x from the current market price, right? And from the market cap wise as well. So again, I mean, you do not go wrong with low market cap crypto gems gaming platforms, especially the ones that are actually doing well, for great teams, for good advisors. They don't have too many VCs, folks, which is really good as well. Because you don't want too many VCs on a platform where they can come and easily dump all the coins afterwards once they have enough profit been made. So I believe fabwelt has done extremely well. Only one or two backers which you need initially anyway, folks. So all in all, I believe I have found 3 absolute gem gaming cryptos for you folks. So please, just a quick reminder, everything discussed on this video is not a financial advice. These are my personal views and opinions, and please do your own research before you invest in any cryptocurrencies. Let us know in the comment section which coins you are going to load up on for the upcoming bull market. There you go, guys. We've again found real low market cap crypto gems that could potentially do 100 to 200x in next bull market. Have a good day, guys. See you in the next video.